So this is after almost 15 minutes. As you can see, they are well dispersed and they are ready for sample preparation. Okay, the next step would be like this. First to dry it because it is wet. Just to make it dry. Okay, so usually I make the initial samples like this to store. They are for storage. Perhaps in the future we need to prepare some samples again in case, for instance, the images are not so good and something like that. We need to prepare it again. To prevent that, we can use a little higher amount like this just for storage. So we can, if we do like this, we have to make it more diluted. So we are going to do that right now. For instance, this one is F2 and we take sample number F2 here. We shake it very well. We open the door and we just put a very little amount of this. Okay, it's done. It's done like this. And with that, we close it. It is F2 for long-term storage. And because the medium is ethanol, it can stay as it is for a while. So there is no worries on that. And then we put ethanol more like this. So perhaps we can put a little more of sample. It was F2, right? It was F2. Perhaps we can put a little more. Just a little more to be sure that okay, it's done. Stop the nose. Okay, it's ready. So I'm going to prepare this sample and the rest are the same. Okay? So these are 10 grids. First, we have to allocate a place for the sample. For instance, we may use this place K2 for F4. It was F2. It was F2. But it's better to write it down in your notebook. K2 for F2. So we may write it here. K2 for sample number F2, right? So to prepare this sample, we take, it's not so easy, but okay. Like this. We take the grid like this. We shake it very well. You see that it is of very low dilution. open the door, make it like this, just to put done. So it needs to be the right. We may put it here for 10 minutes just to be dried.